One last thing after you finish making your coffee, in order to eject the pods, you can lift up here. And when you put a new pod in,
And also make sure that both coffee makers are off. Like I said, they use a lot of electricity.
when you put a new pod in, it will push the old pod down into the reservoir. And if by chance you end up with too many pods, you can turn off the coffee maker and you can pull out this. And as you can see, there's a lot of pods.
Sometimes the coffee maker won't work when that's the case, and just take them and throw them in the trash. And on the other one,
Straighten that out.
well, no, let's
On the other one, it works similar.
you can put those in the compost pile.
There's the compost.
You might rinse it off. Keep the coffee mess to a minimum, as I said, keeping it off the counters is a good thing, because we do have these marble counters that I'm not a fan of, that stain very easily. That's why all of the coffee makers are on a tray, to try to minimize all that. So that goes back in the way it came out. Same thing for once you put this one back in.
This one, actually, a lot of times this will fill up with liquid, so
That's what was underneath this.
pour out the excess coffee liquid. Put this on there,
Another pod there.
and
And as you can see, there's a bunch of coffee on the tray, so we're gonna have to clean that up.